Hi everyone, my name is Mihir Sirpaul and I am the fourth year B.Tech Computer Science student at Bennett University. I am also interning as a software developer at the CodeQuotient since 5 months. So in this video, I am going to share my experience as a trainee, as an intern till now at the CodeQuotient. So let us move on. Now I will share my experience of the Super Coders Industrial Training Program. First of all, I got selected for the Super Coders course by the CodeQuotient, which is totally free of cost, by clearing two rounds. One is coding and other is the small interaction type interview. This program is almost of 4 months, which is from February 2022 to May 2022, and it's fully based on the full stack development. In this course, I had worked on the development of my skills on the full stack development and parallelly worked on the improvement of the logic building with the help of data structures. In first 2 months, I had worked on the front-end part by making projects like To-Do, web app, compiler, stopwatch, discussion portal on the CodeQuotient platform, and also showcased these projects to the mentors. I had also worked on the backend part by making the e-commerce website. After attending this program, what I have observed is that the motive of this program is to make the students industrial ready. The tech stacks that I have gained during Supercoders programs are: for the front-end part, it is HTML, JavaScript, Ajax, fetching the data, CSS, data structure, Node.js, Express, and MongoDB for the backend part. Now let us talk about my experience as an intern at the CodeQuotient since 5 months. After successful completion of the Supercoders Industrial Training Program, my mentor scheduled my interview at the CodeQuotient for the SD internship. That I have cleared and got selected for the front-end role. My joining date was 23rd May 2022. First month of my internship was the learning month. Now I will give you the weekly report of the first month along with the ahead 4 months. So week 1, my mentor provided me the course based on React on the CodeQuotient platform, which includes total 7 sessions of 2 hours each. On each day, I try to complete at least 1 to 1.5 video and do the implementation part side by side. In between, I have assigned an assignment. They assigned me an assignment in which I have to build a web page as per the given design given to me with the help of React, HTML, CSS, and it is then after completing that assignment, it is then reviewed by the developers. Now, outcome of the week 1 is I understand the fundamentals of React, like making components, routing, basic usage of React hooks, reusing components, and etc. Now, week 2, after completing the React session from the CQ platform, my mentor provided me the course based on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the revision purpose on the CQ platform that I have completed. Task is given to me by the senior developer, which is to build a web page, as he has provided me the web page that I have to build. After completing the task, senior developer reviewed my code and told me to go through the basics of media queries and responsiveness of the web pages that I have go through. Now outcome is got the full understanding of the CSS in that week. Now week 3, understand the concept of the local storage and session storage. Senior developer asked me to go through the jQuery along with its implementation, which I had done. The developer Now after all this, the developer decided to take me into the main project, as they told me that now the tasks are given on the main platform. The software testers started giving me the knowledge, that is KT, of the flow of the project over the platform. Developers asked me to go through the code of the project as directed by them. Now outcome of this week is I understand the flow of the CQ project. So now the question arises, what is CodeQuotient? So basically, CodeQuotient is an e-learning based platform whose motive is to provide industrial training to the students who are pursuing B.Tech and also to the BSc students, which is totally free of cost. Its motive is to make students company ready. CQ is also connected to many universities to train the best minds. Many IT companies are also connected to the CQ CodeQuotient, which hire almost all the students who complete the Supercoders program sincerely. Now, what are the stakeholders of our project? Students who are pursuing B.Tech and BSc, IT companies who want to hire the best minds, coding faculties, mentors, engineers, and etc. Basically, CQ main project is divided into 5 projects, and I have worked on first 4 of them till now. CQ main projects in which courses are assigned to students, batches are created and assigned to the mentors, and mentors give the practical lectures there. This project is based on Node.js, EJS templating, jQuery, etc. Second is the CQ quiz, which is also known as CQ test, which is used to take the test of the student, which is full of protection. This project is based on React, TypeScript, etc. CQ forms, which has been developed 1 week ago, used for taking responses of the stakeholders. This project is based on React, TypeScript. Playground is fourth, in which students do coding practice and build the project. This project is based on Node.js, EJS templating, jQuery. And last is Workspace, on which I have to work in the future, which is used for discussion purpose for solving doubts by the mentor through the chat. And this project is based on Socket, Node.js, jQuery, etc. Now report from week 4 to till now. After successful understanding flow of the project, my mentors give the practical knowledge on the GitLab according to the requirements of the project, which was very useful for me, and also it is very important for me also. Now let us talk about the work that I have done till now. So basically they started assigning me the issues and the bugs that are occurring on the project and some requirements and features also. So my task is to debug and replicate those issues and also to accomplish the requirements and features as per the design. Till now, they have assigned me total 153 tasks, includes issues, bugs, requirements, and features, out of which 108 are solved and merged into the production, and 13 tasks are done from my side, but their code review remains, and 32 are total remaining. And they have also assigned me the implementation of some features, and they have also assigned me to refactor and design the whole page from the scratch, which is contact page, which I will discuss ahead. Let us move on. As it is not possible to explain each and every issue requirement, so I am displaying the selected one. So some selected issue that I have solved are, like you can see, the first issue: user is not able to make MQ question without test cases and scores. So in this I have to make the score field and the test cases field compulsory, so that the mentor cannot move on after making the question. I have to make those two fields compulsory that I have done. And second requirement you can see is the update the design when we edit the section name. So basically what is happening here: when user click on the pencil button, there should be two signs, tick and cross. Tick for saving the name of the content, and cross is for the deleting the name of the content. So this is the issue and the requirement that I have done. Let us move on. So like this, there are many issues on which I am working. As you can see, some issues I have solved in team also. So let us move on. Now I am going to explain the one feature which is implemented by me. As you can see in the picture given, my task is to create a button which is highlighted red here on activity page, on which when users click, then the list of the students name and email below should redirect it to the learner page into the data table here, so that user can send email invitation only those two particular students which are go from here to here. Also I've implemented the multi search for the emails with the load and clear buttons, so that emails goes into multi search box, so that user can remove emails and load only those emails that he required, and can also clear the email here. For this I have used local storage concept, data table concept, and HTML, CSS, and the jQuery concept. Now my task is to refactor and design the whole page as per the company requirement. So this is the old design which I have to convert to the new design given by the designers to me. So this is done by me. This is the new design that I have refactored, and this is also gone into the production part. Now let us move on. Now the tech stack that I have gained during my internship is the jQuery, React.js, which is going on, and data table, jQuery plugin, Express, EJS templating, GitLab, TypeScript, and so on. These are the tech stack that I have gained. Now I would like to thank Dr. Deepa Garg and the whole School of Computer Science, Engineering and Technology, Bennett University, for guiding me and also for helping me in choosing the right path. I would also like to thank Mr. Arun Goyal, which is the founder of the CodeQuotient, and Mr. Amit Ghai, which is my mentor, for providing me this opportunity. So that is from my side. I hope you all enjoyed my journey. Thank you everyone.